Hey there! Today we have another BarkBox to unbox. If you're not familiar with BarkBox, it is an online subscription service for dogs. And my two dogs, Kaia and Sammie, who were just groomed today, really love it. And we've been doing BarkBox for over a year. And yeah. Okay. Okay. So, now that we're all back together, let's see what's in the February BarkBox. Are you guys excited? You guys want to see what's inside? Sure. Here we go. Ready? Go. What is it? So here's what the box looks like inside. And every month they have a theme. So this month, this theme looks very cute. And it's Candy Shop. I am Slobbering's Candy Shop. Wow, you're a pup in a candy store. That's cute. And here's what the flyer looks like inside. Yeah. Okay, these are scratch and sniff. You guys can smell it. You want me to scratch it? Let's see, how does that smell? Smell that. Does that smell good? Okay. Alright, well let's see what we got in the box. So the first item in our box is a toy. And this is the Licorice Crinkle Classic Squeaker with a T-shirt rope. So yeah, it's squeaky. Is there stuff inside? Feels like there's things inside. This is really cool. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, this is the first toy, and I think Kaia wants to play with it. Yeah, Kaia? Kaia loves toys. Okay, here we go. Ready, Kaia? Okay, here you go, Kaia. Here you go. Go get it. Okay, the next item in our box is a treat. And this is the Ham Dandy's Soft and Chewy Pork Dog Treats. And yeah, so this looks pretty good. You guys want to try this? Yeah? Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, and the next item in our box is this. And this is Gummy Worm. Magic Colors Gummy Worm. So it's supposed to be a gummy worm. You see that? It's just basically a squeaker toy. And it looks very solid and tough. You want to play with this, Kaia? I think she does. It says it's color-changing fabric. Let me just check that one second. Dog breath activated. Oh, that's so cool. Can you breathe on it? Alright, here we go. Ready, Kaia? Look how cute she is with her bow. Ready, Kaia? She's adorable. Go get it. She's cute, but she's fierce. That was quick. Okay, get back up here, Kaia. Yes. Oh, she's good. Alright, and the next item in our box is another treat. And this is the Coconut Cookie Spaniels. Coconut and carob dog treats. Wow, coconut and carob, so it'll be sweet. And you guys are Spaniels. So this is right up your alley. Oh, wow. These look like cookies. They smell like cookies. They smell really good. Okay, here you go. One for you and one for you. Yay. Okay, and the last item in our box is a stick. And this is the Play-Doh Dog Treats Thinker's Duck Recipe. Okay, so it's duck. And yeah, this is something I'm probably going to give away to a lucky dog friend. Okay, and I just realized Sammie had this on the whole time. Sorry. Okay, so that was everything we got in this month's February BarkBox. So as always, we got 2 bags of treats. We got the Ham Dandy Soft and Chewy Pork Dog Treats, and we got the Coconut Cookie Spaniels Coconut and Carob Dog Treats. We also got the stick and 2 toys. We got the Color Changing Breath Activated Gummy Worm toy, and also this squeaky, crinkly licorice toy. But anyway, that's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more BarkBox unboxings in the future. Thanks again. Bye now. Say bye. Bye.